What's this? Hey guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restoration. Today we're not actually going to be working on the LJ80.
We're not even going to be working on the Mazda MX5 Rusteration.
Now we are going to be working on the Datsun 260Z. It has been on the channel before where we've done a brief walk around, but we are going to bring it back into the workshop.
And where we're going to put it? Just where the FD is. So we've got to get this FD out, we've got to get that MX5 out, flat tyres, flat batteries, and we've got to tow the Datsun in.
So let's grab some tools.
And let's crack on. One 400 brake horsepower S4 in front of us and some really big potholes. Well, door closes. Oh no, keep going.
Yeah, stop there.
That's going to squash your phone.
No, it's not. Well, let it go. Right, stop there. I can no longer see it.
Yeah, that's unretrievable at the moment, yeah.
I can see it. No, it's fine.
Is the daylight above it?
Yeah.
Someone got some brake.
Oh, I've stepped on it.
Right, so the Datsun is now in its prime spot. We are going to be working on the Datsun 260Z at the same time as the LJ80 and the Mk2 Rusteration, and also what's after the Mk2 Rusteration.
What's after the Mk2 Rusteration? Oh, yeah, I get it. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to take note of where we are with the car, what rust we've got to do, what rust we're going to start off first. I think it's going to be probably the floor pans. We're going to take out what's inside, give it a good clean, so we can figure out how we're going to approach this.
Dad, you've got some more tools. It's snap-on as well.
That's 100 quid. Snap-on panel hammer. I was going to buy one of them last week.
Well, you don't need to now. So I was just taking the interior out, and I noticed in this small hole here, the handle of this, I noticed it also said snap-on it. And it's a snap-on panel piecing hammer that we found in the car. we'll clean that up and start using that. What's this?
No idea, is it part of ignition?
Oh shit.
There's all sorts of stuff in there. What on earth is that?
If the ignition has got a horse siren, then yeah.
What?
We've got a horse siren, a rooster siren,
No way.
a cat siren, a dog siren, and a cow siren.
I don't believe it. Let's have a look. Wow, that is mental.
That's awesome, that, isn't it? Driving down the road, someone gets in your way, put your horse siren on.
Rooster them out of way. Cool.
We'll keep that.
That's going back in for definite.
What are you doing?
Well, this was on the bonnet, on the dashboard. There's a speaker on the bonnet. Awesome. That's going back in.
Chuck us hammer, will you? That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've mostly shipped out this interior except for this dashboard, so we can see what sort of condition that structure is in.
Catch you in our next Datsun video where we're going to start to finish this front structure that's already started but not finished.
Make sure you get us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok at MX5 Restoration. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we drop an upload. Click here to subscribe, click here for the Datsun playlist.
And click here for more of our content.
And with that being said, we will catch you in the next one.